Hello! Glad you are interested in downloading Trimble Business Center. In this video, I will go over the workflow required to download and install a license to get you started with TBC. To begin, we must first go to this following website. By clicking on the Download TBC button, we are directed to the Trimble Business Center download page, and here we can submit our credentials and an email with the download link will be promptly sent to you. In your mailbox, you will find this email and we are able to click Download here and an executable file will begin to download. Once the file has finished downloading, extract the contents of the file and this will automatically open the TBC installation wizard. Here, you may choose your preferred language you want to operate within TBC. If you wish to install multiple languages, select Install More Languages, and then select the additional languages by checking the checkbox and hitting OK. After reading the software license agreement, we can accept the terms and hit Next. Select Trimble Business Center. Here, we may choose the complete version of TBC or install custom features. If you require data synchronization between a Windows mobile device and your computer, you may check this box. We will select Install and the installation process will begin. Once the installation is finished, this window will appear and we can select Launch TBC. We are welcome to the Start page of Trimble Business Center. Where we can start and load our projects is here, and news related to TBC will be over here. Now, to activate your license, we must first go to the Support ribbon and click License Manager. There are three main scenarios for licensing your copy of TBC. First, if you have a dongle, plug the dongle into your computer and the license manager will automatically read it. Second, for a license installed on a TBC workstation, click Upgrade, then click Create a Software Key and enter your 19-digit activation code. Thirdly, for a license installed on a network server, you must make sure the license is already installed on the server and the name of the server is being read automatically, or alternatively, select it from this drop-down menu. To double-check the features you have access to, check for the Enable status under each of the features. This concludes this video. Check out our video on getting started with TBC and see you next time.